Most advertisers get this wrong. They assume all demand-side platforms are the same, but Volume DSP has features that set it apart for performance marketers. Here's my honest review after using it extensively. Volume DSP is designed for managing programmatic advertising campaigns across multiple traffic sources. The platform provides real-time tracking, conversion analytics, and campaign optimization, all in one dashboard. One key feature is advanced targeting. You can segment audiences by geography, device, browser, or even behavioral data. This allowed me to reduce wasted spend and improve ROI significantly. Another standout is automated optimization. Volume can adjust bids and traffic allocations based on performance metrics, which saves time and improves results. Reporting is another strong point. You can generate granular reports on conversions, revenue, and traffic sources, making it easy to identify which campaigns are performing best. The platform also integrates with most popular affiliate networks, allowing seamless tracking and payout reconciliation. The downside is the learning curve. New users may feel overwhelmed by the range of settings and analytics. Pricing is also on the higher side, especially for smaller advertisers, but the platform's features justify the cost for serious marketers. In conclusion, Volume DSP is a robust platform for advertisers seeking precise tracking, optimization, and reporting. While it may take time to master, the ability to improve ROI and scale campaigns makes it worth considering. Subscribe for more honest reviews of marketing tools and platforms to help grow your business efficiently.